This voiceover narration is being recorded using the Trust Starzz microphone after we unboxed it. It took a little playing around with the Windows sound settings to get it working, but that would be the same with any microphone. So just to warn you that when you first plug a microphone in, if it doesn't work, the chances are it's your Windows sound settings. You have to adjust your computer's recording levels. The instructions say 100%, but there was a lot of background noise at that level, so we reduced it to 80%, which sounded better overall. Our Windows also has microphone boost, which at any level added a crackling noise, so that's been reduced to 0. None of this is a negative for the mic, as it would need doing for any mic to some extent. The reviews on Amazon were mixed. Some love it and some hated it. Most of the problems and issues people had, I had too. It's not as simple to set up the microphone as just plugging it in. You need to play with the levels to reduce hiss, and you need to talk right into it. However, it costs only around £11 delivered, and if you're prepared to spend a little time setting it up and work with it, it seems so far to work better than any of our camera's built-in microphones. From this point we will unmute the video sound, which comes from the camera's built-in microphone. So if you want to judge the quality of just the Starzz microphone, you'll need to do it from the start of the video. So let's get on with unboxing it and show you what you can expect to receive if you purchase one. The microphone can be used handheld or on the tripod. Comes with a 2.5 metre long cable and a 3.5mm plug on the end. That simply plugs into the microphone jack on your computer, which is often surrounded by red or the symbol of a microphone or sound waves. There's an example of what you're looking for on the instruction sheet, which we'll show you in a short while. There is an on and off switch on the microphone itself, which allows you to mute it without unplugging it. This is the first time we've used this microphone, so it's going to take a little bit more tweaking of the Windows settings and a little bit more practice regarding how close we should speak into it and the volume of our voice speaking into it to get the best results.